Number 1. 1988 Ford Ranger XLT, $1,700, Vancouver, Washington. This 1988 Ford Ranger XLT is a durable compact pickup powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine and 5-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives well, shows 94,000 miles, and carries a clean title. Recent clutch and tire replacement add reliability, making it a practical budget work truck or light restoration candidate. Number 2. 1967 Ford F100 Custom Cab, $5,000, Tracy, California. This 1967 Ford F100 Custom Cab long bed is equipped with a 5.8-liter V8 engine and automatic transmission. It retains classic styling and rear-wheel drive layout. While it needs cosmetic and mechanical work, it benefits from rebuilt components, including the carburetor and steering gearbox. Original hubcaps, clean title, and current registration enhance its restoration appeal. Number 3. 1952 Dodge B100, $4,700, Brady, Texas. This 1952 Dodge B100 is a rare early post-war pickup featuring its original flathead 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Owned by the same person for over 2 decades, it remains largely original with good body condition for its age. A clean Texas title makes it an excellent choice for collectors seeking authenticity. Number 4. 1959 Chevrolet Apache Fleetside Long Bed, $4,800, Brady, Texas. This 1959 Chevrolet Apache Fleetside Long Bed retains its original 6-cylinder engine and factory 4-speed granny transmission. It has good oil pressure, new tires, and was roadworthy within the last 2 years. Although the cab corners need repair, the truck holds a clean title and is well suited for a period-correct restoration. Number 5. 1979 Dodge Ram Custom 150, $4,800, Hayward, California. This 1979 Dodge Ram Custom 150 is powered by a V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. Showing only 42,000 miles, it remains in excellent condition with new tires, current tags, original factory plates, and a clean title. A strong example for collectors or weekend driving. Number 6. 1977 Ford F250 Pickup, $1,999, Denver, Colorado. This 1977 Ford F250 long bed 2-wheel drive features a modified 351 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It starts and runs but lacks power, making it unsuitable as a daily driver. With a clean title and low price, it is best suited as a project or parts truck. Number 7. 1975 Chevrolet C30 Dually Custom Deluxe, $4,000, Bozeman, Montana. This 1975 Chevrolet C30 dually is a 1-ton square body truck powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It runs strong with no blow-by and includes a flatbed and trailer brake setup. Despite high mileage, it remains reliable and offers excellent value for work or restoration. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet Pickup, 4-wheel drive, $1,500, Gervais, Oregon. This 1978 Chevrolet 4-wheel drive pickup was previously used on a farm and currently does not deliver fuel to the carburetor. The odometer is inoperative, and the bed has been removed. With a clean title and low cost, it is best suited for off-road use or a mechanical project. Number 9. 1953 Jeep Willys Overland Pickup, $9,500, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1953 Jeep Willys Overland Pickup is powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. It runs and drives well and has received extensive recent maintenance, including fuel, ignition, cooling, and electrical components. With a rust-free body and frame and a clean title, it is a desirable early 4-wheel drive classic. Number 10. 1986 Nissan Pickup 4-wheel drive V6, $900, Yakima, Washington. This 1986 Nissan D21 4-wheel drive pickup features a V6 engine and manual transmission. It is not currently running and the odometer is broken, but the body and interior are complete. With a clean title and very low price, it is an ideal project or parts donor. Number 11. 1981 Datsun 720 King Cab, $3,500, Turlock, California. This 1981 Datsun 720 King Cab is a very original compact pickup with 125,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It runs well with only minor issues such as a non-working speedometer needle and missing tailgate handle. Clean title and solid condition make it appealing to collectors. Number 12. 1986 Dodge W150 Short Box, $7,000. Tacoma, Washington. This 1986 Dodge W150 Short Box 4-wheel drive is powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 engine with performance upgrades including long tube headers and an aftermarket intake. With 94,000 miles, no rust, a 4-inch lift, and 35-inch tires, it is a well-maintained enthusiast truck with strong off-road capability.